Oven cleaning is one of those household chores that people loathe, but it is arguably one of the most important. Baked on food and grease do more than make your oven racks look dirty and smell. They can also be fire hazards. Unfortunately, most of the available cleaning product options don't make people's lives any easier. Aerosol cleaners and the requisite scrubbing are a real inconvenience, and the fumes can be very unpleasant. With Carbona Oven Rack and Grill Cleaner, you can restore your oven racks and/or grill grates to like-new condition with a simple-to-use, all-in-one kit. Each kit includes the Carbona liquid gel formula, a large sealable bag big enough for 2 oven racks or grill grates, and disposable gloves. Here's how it works. Using the gloves, you're gonna place your dirty oven rack into the bag. Next, we're gonna add this solution into the bag, and you can see it's already starting to work. Then we're gonna seal the bag and gently shake it to ensure the rack is fully covered in the solution. Now, we're just gonna let it sit for a few hours. The thick liquid gel formula penetrates, lifts, and removes burnt-on grease and grime with ease. No scrubbing is required. And because it's non-aerosol and fume-free, it won't stink up your kitchen. Finally, we're gonna remove the rack and rinse it off. Look at that. Carbona Oven Rack and Grill Cleaner. Bag, soak, rinse.